Oh, hey guys, Treasure Books. Today I'm going to show you my new Lego safe mechanism video, V2. So yeah, and okay, but excuse me. So you see that black rod? There is a hole in the door that the black rod will go through in, so it won't budge. See, black rod, you can sort of see it move a little bit. But anyways, so yeah, and this back piece right here, it prevents it from falling out the back hole which it has to go into. And if it opens like a pound, there is a hole, and you can sort of see the black piece in there, or the black stick. And watch what happens if I stick the key in, and then just watch what this little piece does. See that? It shot out, and the black stick just came out. Okay? And then it opens, just like that. And the hole, this, the very, last hole, that's where it goes into, not the very, yeah, the very last hole, that's where the stick will go into, and then it wouldn't glow, or it wouldn't open, that's why. So, yeah. And I will make a tutorial, and I will make a tutorial, it's, if I get 5 likes for either this video or the other video. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.